The tapetum lucidum is a layer of tissue in the eye of many vertebrates. Lying immediately behind the retina, it reflects visible light back through the retina, increasing the light available to the photoreceptors, though blurring the initial image of the light on focus. The tapetum lucidum contributes to the superior night vision of some animals. Many of these animals are nocturnal, especially carnivores that hunt their prey at night, while others are deep-sea animals. Similar adaptations occur in some species of spiders, although these are not the result of a tapetum lucidum. Most primates, including humans, lack a tapetum lucidum, and compensate for this by perceptive recognition methods. Irideshine. Irideshine is a visible effect of the tapetum lucidum. When light shines into the eye of an animal having a tapetum lucidum, the pupil appears to glow. Irideshine can be seen in many animals, in nature and in flash photographs. In low light, a handheld flashlight is sufficient to produce irideshine that is highly visible to humans. This technique, spotlighting, is used by naturalists and hunters to search for animals at night. Irideshine occurs in a wide variety of colors including white, blue, green, yellow, pink and red. However, since irideshine leads to iridescence, the color varies slightly with the angle at which it is seen and the minerals which make up the reflective tapetum lucidum crystals. White irideshine occurs in many fish, especially walleye. Blue irideshine occurs in many mammals such as horses. Green irideshine occurs in mammals such as cats, dogs, and raccoons. And red irideshine occurs in coyote, rodents, opossums and birds. Despite the tapetum lucidum being present in some primates, the human eye lacks this feature, and hence does not produce irideshine when illuminated. However, in humans and animals, two effects can occur that may resemble irideshine: leukocoria and red eye effect. Blue-eyed cats and dogs equals. Cats and dogs with blue eyes may display both irideshine and red eye effect. Both species have a tapetum lucidum, so their pupils may display irideshine. In flash color photographs, however, individuals with blue eyes may also display a distinctive red irideshine. Individuals with heterochromia may display red irideshine in the blue eye and normal yellow-blue-white irideshine in the other eye. These include odd-eyed cats and bee-eyed dogs. The red eye effect is independent of the irideshine. In some photographs of individuals with a tapetum lucidum and heterochromia, the irideshine is dim yet the pupil of the blue eye still appears red. This is most apparent when the individual is not looking into the camera because the tapetum lucidum is far less extensive than the retina. Classification. A classification of anatomical variants of tapetum lucida defines four types: retinal tapetum, as seen in teleosts, crocodiles, marsupials and fruit bats. The tapetum lucidum is within the retinal pigment epithelium. In the other three types the tapetum is within the choroid behind the retina. Choroidal guanine tapetum, as seen in elasmobranchia and chimeras. The tapetum is a palisade of cells containing stacks of flat hexagonal crystals of guanine. Choroidal tapetum cellulosum, as seen in carnivores, rodents and cetacea. The tapetum consists of layers of cells containing organized, highly refractive crystals. These crystals are diverse in shape and makeup. Choroidal tapetum fibrosum, as seen in cows, sheep, goats and horses. The tapetum is an array of extracellular fibers. The functional differences between these four different types of tapetum lucida are not known. This classification does not include tapetum lucida in birds. Kiwis, stone curlews, the boat-billed heron, the flightless kakapo and many nightjars, owls, and other night birds such as the swallow-tailed gull also possess a tapetum lucidum. This classification also does not include the extraordinary focusing mirror in the eye of the brown snout spookfish. Like humans, some animals lack a tapetum lucidum and they usually are diurnal. These include most primates, squirrels, some birds, red kangaroo, and pig. Among primates only the strepsirrhines, with the exception of several diurnal lemur species, have a tapetum lucidum. When a tapetum lucidum is present, its location on the eyeball varies with the placement of the eyeball and the head, such that in all cases the tapetum lucidum enhances night vision in the center of the animal's field of view. Apart from its irishine, the tapetum lucidum itself has a color. It is often described as iridescent. In tigers it is greenish. In ruminants it may be golden-green with a blue periphery, or whitish or pale blue with a lavender periphery. In dogs it may be whitish with a blue periphery. Mechanism. The tapetum lucidum, which is iridescent, reflects light roughly on the interference principles of thin film optics, as seen in other iridescent tissues. However, the tapetum lucidum cells are leucophores, not iridophores. The tapetum lucidum is a retroflector of the transparent sphere type. Because it is a retroflector, it reflects light directly back along the light path. This serves to match the original and reflected light, thus maintaining the sharpness and contrast of the image on the retina. The tapetum lucidum reflects with constructive interference, thus increasing the quantity of light passing through the retina. In the cat, the tapetum lucidum increases the sensitivity of the cat's vision by 44%, allowing the cat to see light that is invisible to human eyes. Uses: the tapetum lucidum enables an animal with it to see in dimmer light than the animal would otherwise be able to. This is of use to the animal, but it can also be utilized by humans. Human uses include scanning for reflected irishine to detect and identify the species of animals in the dark, and deploying trained search dogs and search horses at night, as these animals benefit from improved night vision through this effect. Using irishine to identify animals in the dark employs not only its color but also several other features. The color corresponds approximately to the type of tapetum lucidum, with some variation between species. Other features include the distance between pupils relative to their size, the height above ground, the manner of blinking, and the movement of the irishine. Manufactured retroflectors modeled after a tapetum lucidum are described in numerous patents and today have many uses. The earliest patent, first used in cats, a brand raised pavement markers, was inspired by the tapetum lucidum of a cat's eye. A more recent use of retroflectors, helping to provide secure communications between two stations in line of sight, is modeled after the combination of tapetum lucidum and bioluminescent flashlight in flashlight fish of the families Anomalupidae and Stomiidae. Some of these fish have been shown to use irishine both to detect and to communicate with other flashlight fish. Pathology: in dogs, certain drugs are known to disturb the precise organization of the crystals of the tapetum lucidum, thus compromising the dog's ability to see in low light. These drugs include ethambutol, macrolide antibiotics, difezone, anti-malarial medications, some receptor H2 antagonists, and cardiovascular agents. The disturbance is attributed to the chelating action which removes zinc from the tapetal cells. See also, defense mechanism, emission theory, walleye. References